In the future, experienced remote human operators will supervise several automatized factories. Advanced extended interaction technologies empower these remote operators to take control of local equipment, to discover what is happening, assert line status, and act accordingly. Remote control and feedback of robots to perform actions on the real factory. Orchestration and integration of automation steps and machines into remote controlled flows. Software architectures, storage and traceability of data from several factories. Apply and integrate smart factory technologies and disciplines: virtual reality, robotics, digital twin, computer vision, voice interaction, artificial intelligence, machine learning. Product request. Order preparation. AMR collects and transfers the material to the assembly unit. In the assembly line, the robot assembles the product. Remote alert in case of failure in the assembly process.
Feeder.
The remote operator solves the problem remotely using the 3D application. The robot continues with the assembly. The product is ready for delivery. Smart and fully automated factories, highly skilled and specialized remote operators, remote or difficult to access equipment management.